Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists, aproko, anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see, say this channel with the column aproko saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
So if you don't do some more, you know really idea. Maybe here na get me see. Wagaviana, please share this video. I hereby thank our brother Roselle. That is our Asian brother. That is in UK. Wato. I can see you are a star. Wow, we no bunny or wow, gele way you boy. I mean, a night here where in West South or Gawking and went to Yevi Raw. A watana where you will do wonder. Roselle. That is a great man. I also thank 24-bit, thank a very marriage man in River, Rima de Boy, Eunice, Yafefe, Don Vies, Mafesto, Ituwayafefe, Wayatare Domuya, Saruwayeke, Sanika go waro. So warawe sota we mi na usi aja no mo awuja no mo ewunu wa ni hiakin why jani mo the okin aje no wa. So no amanu ge iso egbe wan na ni ani wan yen no re Jennifer Collins oweke na amela la e ba ke zowo Jennifer Collins wayati we not take ngodom ya party amage otion we tie no to tota moria gitota wa waria gitota neno tota yo Jennifer Collins Jennifer edowe kenamio mase agio mase whether be a menotion we me congratulations a video ni wa we meje a video me vai wa on ya the platform me I can post something just now. Okay, say 3 minutes you will delete it. Ti wa a video for say I don't say our video. If you want to listen, maybe we are instantly watch it or already do watch it. Ti wa la merere. Maybe my like it, the content and everything. I feel delete my video. Not be say I did delete my videos when I did do. I did delete many. A few now they live there. So now be say maybe a viewer has not come view Facebook they use and give me money. No. Okay. I just did do it for fun and represent my people for Facebook.
Okay.
And when one rally me one asame. So yeah, we are see a bampana or Gina. It's a thing of choice. I know. So Jennifer Collins, congratulations. ma we walive yari vai we na mo obo au o sakpa se yo wan de win Facebook na o yari vai of a ma ova o mayara amiene ma be meje me yari vai akwe mi meni me mu yo to ni kiri bo na we hell here when near moving here woman where a woman owner me roji me yare midiana. So Jennifer Collins, when you give birth, add your John way on social media. In a big congratulations one. In a way a matter no good. Or my suking. Gele imara follow wa up una remedia. They two tier born more. I was not aware. I remember saying, but you want where is the Ladian, you know, mobile, we are operating YouTube. But you might want where we are doing, yeah, post a picture, we are comment, knock by done. I was not aware of those things, you know. But you can yana guegui, if you ever wa guegui. Uwe da biena. We da bie we was when so. I ain't very on ya. When so for ne, where we your money worry. Where get carry one, eh? Huh? My so we ma bie. Abie all pepper then we abia. It have been a pepper then picking a con de bomb me no understand. Or more, I'm your pepper then. Anyway, what be any who lock up? Or all a bad boy with those that mock you, they will join you to celebrate. They might celebrate you. My wow, I walk my begging. You lock up. You know now what's when you start posting different type of. It's too early. It's too early. That posting of those videos was too early of yours. Please why you be beery. When I said you be beery in 9 months, no more year go in 9 months. Maybe it's the always shocking man. Jennifer Collins in your media now. But the oil team up by the raw nania. I mean on them, why read the media? Why never be? No never be rugu waropa. A stainless, you know, we are mad, don't pan or rugu one again, them stainless. Why not? And in your mind, no way, your mind, on a sick bar, right up, Ikaya, and may my way, my walk. Obey ni ayati mawe ko betina nemo since almost 4 months now, be 5 months. Stainless my live media am I so any presenter no waru with live video only anyone wa me no my ru wa here dot only exist wa me various alobua eri ma gbona se gelegia stainless no be amadi. Me marie mo mama mi no ne mo eru wa $1 se fena ne me well keke nuri aje osaguero. Hope you are okay. So I know me ne do that na we kolisi nyagije abi wa be la wa wan kan me we osa $1 sonne. So the fortunate do better pisho media muere ya. You know, congratulations with your peers and everything. So on a whole why we no keep pregnancy for good 9 months privacy. No it's so turn when we be we no more worry. My one do not do you know. And moreover, do here do if I saw let's go or no bomb a kind or cafe odiwegbe or gay mama. For the fact that maybe they think I'm a monkey where you were serious, or maybe this miracle will not be go through by now. We're serious, yo. Or we talk about what like in okay man. So so why then na maybe I'm an always so bokeh. Let me let go. You can let go. When I saw post me here, you know, that was all in a better. Okay, even the lads and the woman man, they celebrate you where you started writing name. I beni, enu wa ladiani, wa ya wa wese o, wa ya wa wese, ke no fi yo, ke no ma fi yo. Waya wa wese vigbe mo yazunu gagbe eti agbon wa waya wa wese ke no pon no lajado we o no ma everybody waya wa wese vigbe me wa wese o wa wese riata one in you go him when I do agbeni ona iye nemi. Thank you very much. Me. Thank you for it. Okay, man, celebrate where ni ma we video, radi ma post a picture where we hear ya any asanse. We hear ya any asanse. At least why ya wa we se ke don fi man say we kuna. Ya be gba ya bon audience. Yeah, waya wa wese o ke no fi yo ke no ma fi yo waya wa wese we gbe ma wa wese we gbe me waya wa we area we. You came out, you started writing names, calling names that people that celebrate with you. They money carry. Do you know how many fake accounts? Even where ni post a picture where those media mwere na ya post a picture where congratulate you well. So it's so fortunate that you now select names, now do beni yebe do atie akmomiya emi no keke wa re mi u e ki wo mama wa ya do ave ni na emi no gba e wo mama wa ya do emi wa to na emi no gba to keke wa fi yin wa we re. That is the only way. Ever when I worry, I pay Jennifer Collins. But nevertheless, Amorene, Toragu e diave ni Jesu. No minu bia na ohia ave bia ba. E ti Jesu Christi no nyama ise. So no la e ke masobo won mareni. Whether you have one do a media now, this media, a media now have any one way, 1 year, only one way, Jennifer Collins. So I read here, a mommy love you, man, mommy love. Alare. Pay more John way or media. Any katai we like gwaye mata no riri are media odion we na gwayo wa we o no trace odion we no we ya trace odion we ogwagben ese ti ese ti gbon wa we lu trace odion we. Ozeme, oh, Emmanuel, and when I was what young way, and me are a mediana iguayo, it ye noria belly, noria be, it ye noria sene, noria se. So, why I wait that?
Nine.
Even the your mother, your why no man or what me, and no mamma, what very for. No, a banner for no for it win my yaroba. We are all my yafe, my yewe. A degbe, my yawe. So, no. Mommy love. Why at Thierry? A doorware. Echedan oazen. Echedan oazen. No matter what, you don't pay evil against evil. And I say, Anawe Araku, I Daragui, Usagezo si yonare domie minata migbe. Ememaku nurenia emena no say agwiverian okay na ageme ta megbe because you don't know tomorrow. I saw the video where you were telling her that she may remain barren, she will do this. That video was so very horror. You are not a god. Oh Salobwa, don't conclude in everybody's situation. The fact that maybe she mocked your child or she insulted your child. I pray for God to give you your own child so that then someone else bully the way you are bullying man. But saying that she cannot carry her own child, that barrier she will remain. That was a no-go area. And one thing about I want to ask, Mommy love, they said I don't just understand. Mema born na Christian, lire bos pagan, they said where is your where wa mudiayi ovyo sa uwe here na mu bible ahwe azizobo ahwe emi ogbera agbiju egbegbe where wa mo boje, where is your stand? Are you really a child of God? We want to know. Because the kind of Christianity, we have two types of Christianity. The kind of Christianity you and Mama Gladys, a Christianity if you because of your enemy went to a Christianity, you get it all wrong. Area ya gosa rudegianwe gbegianwe wa yaya waivani wa gosa rudegian. I mean no gba at all. Fight your enemy. Let me quote an enemy for you. That kill my enemy. Enemy they shall die. Same Bibles told us that we should pray for our enemy. We should pray for them. Pray for your enemy. So my sister, for you, why you a Christian? One a Christian, one it a Christian. The media do I to Syrian. What are you people teaching those one that is pagan? Church, why how you people win some souls to the kingdom of God? How will you win souls like this character wave Mama Gladys possess or the name of Christianity? Who are here win a soul at the kingdom of God here? You people don't have heart of forgiveness. Love your neighbor as yourself. Forgive. Eyare wale lo ni gbegiame. My enemy will die. Gbegiame, wife wa. Wo doni wa mwe babo mo bomu. Wa mwe kian. Egian oti my enemy die. Waiting your enemy die. He ain't package he ain't send the go. We can ya. What you want use your enemy if he die, what you want use and do. We hear ya now. That is my question. I'm gonna share this video. Mommy love. Your character in Christianity is not nice. Change your way. I mean, not bad at all. Love your neighbor as yourself. Forgiveness. Your mind.
Nice.
We call on wine or judge. At least, when we castle so much, when we go here, we go more congratulations. Congratulations. In fact, that we may be or you post it now and you don't care. I will send it. I say yao. Go rob a Bible or where rejoice with those that is rejoicing, more with those that is mourning. Every no go ne. Kawe go ne. Tell me congratulations, happy for you. We let no kagbera ugare one side. Ugiebe uwe gwe go ne. And while we continue in saga, you started asking for DNA. This one. You want to prove yourself as if you no. Any my dead man, it doesn't cut for. It does not cut for. Tell me, I wish you congratulations. All I go diao, eriono. Erieba ebe no wan ha mi ma. Ebe no wan, abi ebe no wan ni malele. Owe lugani ni wana lele. Ebe no wan wa lele o lugani ni mana lele a. Cause ogu wa hamu wan wa have heart of forgiveness. Heart of bewa. Kill my enemy. My enemy go die. The one where they left die. The one where they right go die. Front go die. Back go die. The one where they our village. Wana ke gbele ya. Enemy my so the thing today. Yama wulo. So Lula, you are very a part you play that period was not nice. And I bought an attempt.
Okay.
And the first quarter you go too far. You go too far. Now I have a beer for you to just say congratulations my sister and move on. Let bygone be bygone. You know? Now you alele ni. I mean what time wana we saga. I know. I mean I time and I say I have any saga or no saga, but you mind the words that you use against someone in case of tomorrow. I had the beer, I had the nahwe. So, mommy love, for me, you need to bring down your ego. Bring down your ego. And apologize to her. And apologize to her. Let her, tell her you are sorry. Congratulate her. Mariemi rokpa yo wegbere. Mariemi rokpa yo wegbere. Tell her you are sorry. And you never mean every word that came out from your mouth.
Okay.
So that the way why we move on. I greet you, my brother. So, no, mommy love, la wo, la dian, be sorry ne, when I no gwale, you know, no matter what, we ye why you We are all brothers and sisters. We are Iviedo, Ovigbo, Oviegon, Ovieshekiri, Ebo, Iviedo, Mayahin, Maya, my leg, my make, my leg, bury, my make, my leg, bury, in my yakon, be my can, my make, my leg, bury. So please, mommy love, Abomade, Ajaji, Noron, Ariono. I just said my own as an odionware on media. I said my own, but if you feel, if you don't feel, but for me, I will urge you to say sorry to her. Tell her that you are very sorry deeply in your mind, so you should let go. You know. So, on no go tagwe go, on no more tagwe more. So, onina. Bera, kewe when you no. See, why, wanyo, Midiana, Amia, Pologbe, Okeregbe, Nokba. When you speak to other people, we good one. I do good work one, where to where I feel more you to. Yeah, me no keverio. Me no ke. Now, wait here, Mama Gladys. Why at here, man? Mama Gladys. Ade. Vince Benogi. Mama Gladys. Me ma understand well. Me ma give understand well. The same thing. A Bible wemu. A Bible wemu. Me ma understand well. So you cannot forgive somebody. Where to forgive them at all? No be Rudawa where you having saga. You came out to speak. Say Bible say there is no barren woman. Everybody will born. You just speak. That's a low boy. When nije, uwu gosa, we wa gosa Bible ni uwe daji mo bo. You can't forgive. You can't forget. Even if you don't forget, keep it. Omana women variant who keep a bet. That forgiveness, you still remember to come among that woman, Jennifer Collins. Erioma wana. Nana we me where a lady na te me accident. O me accident. Ona life, ona la dianwo. For you to just say, sorry my sister, sorry. Oh, umagbe sorry, umawe soso, uhiika, uwogu wegwa. Manu wegu gwa ni akagu wegwa. Ave manu wekagu gwa ni akagu wegwa. Pastor nu wegu gwa ni oka ewe, gala lekpekus, yari obusa. Pastor ni kagu wegwa. Mama ni bunu wekagu nu wegu gwa. Akagu wegwa. People must talk to you. Okay, the fact that people talk to you, sunu die where we not tanya when or see an nani na sunu die. O my dear say at all. No beer, ma congratulate you. Udawa way, me bezo. We a bad bony, we are una. Well, what my say, I will just beg you, take that Bible in. Let us know. Take that Bible in so that we will know where you belong. A Bible ni we wari ela wa where do I Bible in this Marima? Not buy at all. So if you don't have heart of forgiveness, they are a Christian way. What type of Christian? They I don't know where you go salo bwana where ya ga no sa oba gbegian no. What of the other way around? Can't you forgive your enemy? Mama Gladys, are so much disappointed for all these things you have done. No beer, umagwe no be me accident, umagbe so ene, umagbe yo boy that you just came out try to say e yagu wegwa enemi nedia ona we gu wegwa I don't know. You also talk to the governors, pastors, they for example, so and network what this stuff is man. Why we network is disturbing. So as I was saying, Mama Gladys, my there were say I even a beya baloma. Tọ́lọ́run àyàtọ́lọ́ àtọ́lẹ́tọ́ bolo àwọn àwa òwò ẹ̀mí òyàrí ẹ̀yìn ayé ọwọ́ ògbé ayé mi ló dẹ̀rẹ́ ayé mi ló dẹ̀rẹ́ ayé mi ló dẹ̀rẹ́ please ṣẹ̀dá let's go we will let's go ẹ̀ máa yà náà wá gùn ẹ̀gùn ẹ̀ òwì àdórí èyò ríán ẹ̀ máa sọ̀rọ̀ wá rẹ̀ you know. But two things are here to talk about that. You did not congratulate her. Or another accident, you came out and criticized her, which is very bad. I mean, okay. Why even of your Christian? Pagan does not behave the way people are doing. Yeah, we been ne church no ma mwe ne tie Bible ne we fellowship when wa mwe nyahu. They don't have this art. They don't have it. They know the right thing to do at the right time. They know that when someone is celebrating, you need to celebrate with that person. When someone is mourning, you need to mourn with that person. So Mama Gladys is on my deck back or Magba. Forget whatever they have said or done against you, but in that point of time, you should have done the right thing. Do we hear igui or I dove? Do here gui who carry yone? I mean 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Who do we matter? What he do tie? But every meter was soon. Èmi dá wa sùnú wẹ́ wá rí wẹ́ la èrè ọwọ́ ẹ̀mí èrè ọwọ́ náà èrè ọmọ ọwọ́ náà you use it to attack them. Also wẹ́ máa náà attack ẹ̀dọ́ àdé. Òwò náà came accident. Why didn't you when ọ̀dà wa wá video ni? If you want to reply, why didn't you just reply? Kọ́lẹ́sì kébìẹ̀ why don't you just reply? Okay, you lock up èmi rí sùnú Diane nọ́pà èmi ògọ̀gọ̀ nọ́pà lára any sadness, then you use it to come and find the work in Mama Gladys. It does not call for. Ọ̀tẹ̀mẹ̀rẹ̀ African so no yet ọ̀tẹ̀mẹ̀rẹ̀ Africa, Italia, First Lady. The only thing I will tell you, for you replying Mama Gladys was so very early. Very early. Let me plan our hammer. I will video. We are raising bagmo. You go work one here. He wrote her. Well, I have more Latin. They say Mama Gladys the Zuzu for that side. No. Lock up. At least wherever you can a face on in there. Let's go. We don't need some mia. No, mia. They are here, they don't know. No. The reply was so too early. I ain't ready. When I saw the reply, I went, no. At least, I mean, I have a Zeg reply to. Based on the situation you are now, you have to gather yourself. You have to put yourself together. You don't need to listen to side talk. You know. Now I reply. You go work when I reply my son. I mean not by wagi ma ekizingbe. Wagi ma mo. Odawe ibalegbe. Omagi udian said there. So no lie. That's the only place I will tell you, because she they say now so you talk to her. Now so she still they talk to other people. Media na people must attack you, people must talk about you, people must come for you. As long as you are in this media, people must send message to you. Even the media nia koka mene ruda we emanibu imerimie media koye media na ka mene odion we na domie emani memate o no ma sopa no we na fiyan ye va do wa gbon message to odion we emi no gba e so nene media to boy ko we ka me no odion we ne. So no we no ri o na ge gun egbon re media o wu la wa dia we go re mi la wa eri oje ni bibia ka do ya we fila kan gbo era do aya we wa re media we ko ri ege niyan eri o wa se eri me mi ese we ona media great GPC
Nice.
Great GPC of Monica Lovers Club. Waya wa selogbe o. Wa selogbe. Wa selogbe egbe isena. Waya wa selogbe no wa yiwu wa o. Edena gbe waro wa edena mu wa yewi aro wa edenizo ero wa fola. Wayado, great GPC. Meme eya we ewi wari ni ma. Meme mi ewi o. Meme mi ewi bet. Onye mu wa 7, meme no see. Onye mu wa 7. I know. Allah waga video waga share the video.